actually pick up a biscuit here, and I must say that
we will continue to invest.
I must say some mom's magic, right off the shelf, right?
Yes, absolutely. But let me finish the piece on capex.
Yeah.
I must finish it. See, now we will. It's not that we are not going to invest. We will invest.
Yeah.
But it will be more calibrated, and in the context of growth and size, and of course technology upgradation and so on and so forth. So at a company level, last year we launched 5 facilities. Construction of 3 more have started this year. 2 are food plants.
So you already have 11.
11 ICMLs.
Okay.
The 5 is across businesses.
Okay.
So now we have started 2 food facilities and 1 facility for sustainable packaging.
So
ICMLs, yes, we have 11 of them.
the fact that what capacity you've shared with us and the fact that how much these ICMLs can be scaled up to, you are really confident of the market and demand growing, because if you're investing and with the ability to expand in the future, that means that you really expect the categories you represent, the growth is not going to be incremental, it's going to be exponential.
The idea is to continuously deliver industry-leading growth, and what gives us the confidence is that we have established the right to win.
Industry-leading growth is incremental. The capacity you're building is telling me that you're preparing for exponential growth.
Well, it's like this. It's like this, that while we create the civil infrastructure, the line addition is in consonance with the market growth. Okay, that's how we do it. Because in a food factory, it's not a smart idea to keep on constructing.
Right.
So a lot of hygiene and hygiene standards have to be very, very strict here. So if we are to scale up beyond what we have constructed, it will be a completely isolated construction, adjacent but isolated. Right. So that's the point I'm making. Capacity addition will happen.
Okay. So before we move from the another unit, from biscuits to chips, everything is in one unit. I told you I've come with a hungry stomach to the ITC unit. What are the new businesses which you're incubating, which you think in the medium term, 3 to 5 years, will add at least 1,000 crore of top line?
Okay. So I will tell you in 2 parts. Let me tell you in FMCG, and let me tell you some completely new categories. So businesses in the medium term that will scale up are newer categories that we are incubating. One are certain adjacencies that Ashirwad and Sunfeast are getting in. 2 are newer categories like beverages and juices. 3rd are categories like the frozen snacks or the frozen range. It is gone into frozen breads and snacks and so on and so forth. Out of that, for example, in personal care, it will be categories around hygiene that we are building, categories around floor cleaning, Nimile that we are building. Within FMCG, there are categories we are scaling up, and categories that we are addressing, and categories that we are establishing right to win, and we will scale up in future. At some point, we will also scale up chocolates. Right now, it's in incubation phase. Outside of what we are doing today, but it is in a way connected to our enterprise strengths. So what we have said for ourselves is that wherever enterprise strengths can be leveraged to ride on a trend of digital or sustainability, which are mega trends of the decade, we will be in those businesses. So there are 3 we have already started executing with an encouraging. One is what we call ITC Mars, which is a platform, a digital ecosystem to empower farmers, usher in next generation agriculture, adds to competitiveness of agriculture, competitiveness of foods business, and on its own, it's a business model. That is one. The second is sustainable packaging. The world is moving away from plastics. So we are already in the market with products that are made out of board. Now we are investing in a plant to make molded fiber-based, plant fiber-based products, complex, highly engineered shape.
The coffee cup is going to be not made up of plastic, it will be made up of a plant extract.
That is already done. Okay. That is already done in our paper board. Okay. The only thing we have done is we have replaced the poly coating with a bio seal.
Okay.
This will be a completely different category altogether.
Completely eco-friendly.
Completely plant-based fibers.
Plant-based.
The third area we are looking at, again, synergy between foods and hotels are our cloud kitchens.
Interesting.
We
Very
have
interesting.
we have four cloud kitchens in Bangalore, 4 brands,
Okay.
17 kitchens.
Okay.
So you can put it 4 into 17 outlets.
Okay.
Done quite well. Now we have decided to build the tech stack,
Okay.
prepare ourselves, and take it beyond Bangalore. So all these businesses, I think, have got potential to be over time big businesses.
And they can potentially add 500 to 700 to 1,000 crore turnover in medium term.
Yes, all of them have the potential. All of the potential is there.